Okay, this is how you repair a snowmobile, or in this case snowbike track. They may have a cracked paddle. I'm gonna use this one first. Primer, Loctite, followed by this guy. Okay, pretty simple. We're gonna apply liberally here on the primer. There's the cracked paddle. Okay, see. Okay, put the bunch. Kind of looks like it's evaporating pretty fast. They say allow 10 to 30 seconds flash off time, and then apply the glue within 5 minutes. So it's kind of hard to reach at the very bottom here, but I'm gonna put a bunch on top and let it drip. Hopefully it goes all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna add a little bit to the sides, kind of like this. And okay, there's this. It's a little more here, so it drips all the way to the bottom, hopefully. Yeah, it looks like it's evaporating fast. So, oh shoot, my brush just got. That's why they give you a spare one. I was wondering why. Okay, kind of got stuck in the crack, and when I pulled, the little bristles just were left inside. Okay, here's a new one. That should be enough. Okay. A little bit to the sides. Okay. Okay, 10 to 30 seconds flash off time. I'll kind of move it a little bit so it's not wet. Let's see. Should be good. Now we're gonna apply the glue. Nothing complicated here. Same thing. Apply, let it drip. I'm applying liberally everywhere. Okay, looks like it's dripping good. A little there, a little here. Now my crack has a little gap, so I'm gonna kind of hold it for, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. Hopefully it's instant enough to hold it once I release. Okay, let's see. I'm applying a pretty good pressure. If I release, let's see if it's gonna hold it or what. Oh, looks like it. It's holding it. It's good. And I'm just gonna, yeah, smear this, and that's it. I'm gonna update you guys if it's holding up after I ride this season. Talk to you later.